Hey, welcome back to the channel. Today I have a sponsored trip to Miaoli, Guangwu National Forest Park. This trip is sponsored by Bus. Make sure you guys check them out. Bus is a company that provides transportation to various national parks and outdoor areas to people in Taiwan. Anyways, hopefully the weather's good, doesn't rain, because I'm gonna be shooting a little promo stuff at the park. Alright guys. So I'm just following the rest of the people, and I'm following Michael, the organizer of this trip, because he knows a lot about the place and I think he's been here. There's going to be 3 different trails that we're going to. One is a very long trail up the mountain, and then I think we're going to a waterfall trail as well. And the weather is amazing right now. It's like if you touch the sun, it's very warm and chilly. No, it's not chilly. If you're in the sun, it's very warm, but if you're in the shade, it's very chilly.
Baby, you're my baby. Talking anywhere to see you sideways, lady. You're my lady. Wonder when you stand.
Back home in Myanmar, I didn't get the chance to hike like this. It was mostly car rides and just getting to the top of the mountain with a car. So this is awesome. This is freaking amazing. We made it to the top.
Of course, yeah.
Woo! Of course. Right. We're at the top of the, what's this called? Yeah, we're on top of the mountain now, and it's very beautiful. So check the behind the scenes of this shit.
I never loved nobody fully. Always 1 foot on the ground.
Stumbled upon a little waterfall area, like a little river. It's not a river, is it? Yeah, like a stream.
In the sound, in my mind, all of these voices.
This whole big mountain up there, that's where we came down from. It doesn't look like Taiwan here. It looks like we met some locals here. 哦，从桃园来，我是从新北市来。哦，对。我是从缅甸来。缅甸华侨人。哦，缅甸华侨，我想说，知道，你们那都是讲英文的。I'm trying to make a run. We're trying to make a run, so that we can get more locations and shots in. I stayed behind quite a bit to get certain shots, so running to make it up for the time. I only have like an hour and 30 minutes left, but I wish I can stay here for 2 days. We're finally back at the bus. It was very tiring because we ran because we thought we were lost. Now we're finally back. Gonna take some footages of the bus and then just relax on a bench or something. Okay, so our hiking journey has come to an end. This is Guangwu National Forest. If anyone's in Taiwan, I would 100% recommend you to visit. It's about 8 kilometers in total, and the elevation is okay. Yeah, I hope you enjoyed this vlog, and I'll see you in the next one.